Alright, welcome back to the channel. It's good to be back in the recordings. Alright, whether it's your first or, Hi, I'm Dusk, and whether it's your first or, whether it's your first... Give me a moment. Whether it's your first or 43rd time here, I'll take you through all the steps to make a cute little plushie. The name of the song in the background is Spanner and Drill by Studio EIM, and the marble run in the background is Subcon Forest. Alright, so first you're going to go down to the description, download the pattern, and print it out. Both pieces of the pattern, don't forget one. Yeah, don't forget one. Yeah, that's it. Don't be afraid of it being wonky. They'll end up a little wonky here. It's handmade. That's good. Alright, and once you got it printed out, you're going to want to cut it out. Yeah, it's that simple. And then with that pattern, you're going to want to take a Sharpie, apply it to the fabric, go all the way around, and then cut it. You're gonna need one face panel in brown, 2 palm panels in brown, 6 limb panels in brown, 2 back panels in a darker brown, 1 torso panel in white, 1 bottom panel in white, 1 hair panel in that darker brown, 2 eye pieces in white, 2 iris pieces in purple, 2 hoodie pieces in red, 1 tie piece in red, let me think, 2 patches in red, 1 logo in yellow, and yeah, I think that's it for colors. Yeah. And you're also going to want to cut out the black fabric. This one's a little hard to do. I personally hold the pieces up against it and cut around those. You're going to need 1 mouthpiece in black, 2 torso pieces in black, 6 limb pieces in black, 6 sleeve pieces in black, 2 pupil pieces in black, 2 eyeline pieces in black. I'm trying to think if there's anything else, but I do not believe there is. In black, I mean. Yeah, that's it. So, once you start sewing the body, you're going to want to first locate the triangles. And sew them up. Like, start with the big one. I mean on the face, of course. Start with the big one on the face, fold it in half, go all the way along it. Yeah. Like all the way along this triangle that you see on screen. And do the same with the little one opposite to the big one. And now start making the eyes. Start by attaching a pupil to an iris. Yeah. Now start attaching that iris to the actual eye piece. It should be... The pupil, like when you do it, should be like a little slit. Yeah, at the center of the iris, and like the pupil, and like the iris should be at on one of the edges of the eye, like one of the long edges. Yeah. And now attach the top, I mean the eyeline part should go like 1 line along the edge. It should, the long part of it should end right about where the pupil is. Yeah, like this. Then make another one, but it should be like putting up a mirror against something, like the eye of the pupil is in like the opposite direction, so that if you line them up, they would face each other. Yeah. Now attach one eye here. And the other eye here. And the mouth here. And then you're gonna wanna make the back of the head. Line up both pieces and start along the middle of the curve and go to the closest end of it. Go to the closest end. Like the curve without the spiky bit interrupting it. And then do the same again, but leave a gap in between the two that you can fit your finger through. Now attach both sides of the head together. You shouldn't be able to see the face at all while you do this, or the back of the head. The sides you want to see, you shouldn't be able to see them while you do this. Yeah. Go all the way around. Now invert it, like through the little hole, the finger-sized hole, and stuff it to whoever you're making it for's liking. If that's yourself, stuff it to how you like it. If it's for someone else, try to think of how much they'd like it stuffed and do it like that. And then close it up by sewing up the little hole. Yeah, that's almost done with the head. Now attach the front hair piece, like one line, go around the top, like not all the way around, like around the top of the hair, and attach it to like the front of the face, like I'm doing in the video right now. Yeah. Alright, and then starting the body first, you're gonna want to grab the white torso panel and a hoodie one of the hoodie pieces, and attach it along the side, along the long side. Yeah, like that. Yeah. Along the long side, like maybe do a zigzag to keep it in place better. Now do the same with the other one, so that both of them are on the front torso panel, the white torso panel. And attach the tie here. You can do like a little square, or you can do just a line to keep it in place. Yeah. And now attach the logo to one of the black coat panels on the left side when you're looking at it. Now attach that side to the white panel, that panel to the white panel. The logo should be on the same side you're connecting to the main panel. You should not see the logo or the tie while you're doing this. Be careful not to get the tie trapped, but like the logo, when it's done and you invert it, the logo should be directly next to the front panel, like on the edge. Yeah, between the two. Yeah. Now attach the other black panel. Now attach the two that aren't connected yet. Yeah. Now attach the bottom piece, go all the way around. And then invert and stuff it. Oh, the bottom piece should be where it's biggest. Yeah. And now attach it to the head right here. Yeah, go all the way around. The tie should be facing the front. And now you're going to want to start making the arms. So first you're going to want to grab a sleeve panel and put it on one end of a brown arm panel. Either end is good. Yeah. Then do the same with two others. Go all the way around with each of them. And on one, on top of the sleeve, you're gonna want to put the little patch, the little red patch. Yeah. Now you're going to want to attach the two together. The little sleeve parts should be touching each other while you do this. Then at the third, same thing, sleeves parts touching. Then attach the two that aren't attached yet, of course, same rules. And then attach the palm. It should be the brown one, and it should be at the end that wouldn't have the sleeves there. Like the end opposite to the sleeves. Yeah, that end. That end. Yeah, attach it there, all the way around. And then invert and stuff it. Like, the sleeve should be right by the opening. And make another. Alright, and now make two legs which are just the same, except for one important difference. The legs don't have, like, the sleeve pieces or the little patches, and are just black. Black limbs, black palms. Yeah. Like that. Two of them. Make two of them. Attach one arm here. The patch should be facing up. Yeah, facing up. And another patch here, and another arm here. The patch should still be facing up. The first leg here. And the other leg here. And that got you Heathcliff. Alright, that's the end. I hope you enjoyed the plushie. If you did, like, comment, subscribe, hype the video, leave a comment down below, and suggest future plushies I could make. Oh, and yeah, this is like a big video for me. I've been taking a break, but Heathcliff's one of my favorite characters in Limbus Company. I'm so happy to have finally made this, but anyway, have any suggestions, leave it down in the comments, and I gotta talk about a hint. So, what would be a good hint for the next video? Thinking. Puppets. That might have been too obvious, but anyway, thanks for watching. I'll see you all next time. Goodbye.